this video, we're now going to modify the banner login screen to provide us with an additional terms and condition compliance. So we do that by logging into the system, and we go into our administration panel, and we come down into our security, and in here we can now type in our prompt that we want the user to acknowledge when they log into the system. So we'll click on save there. That'll now update the system so that anybody who logs in will automatically be required to authenticate who they are. So we'll do that by logging out, and you can see immediately it tells you and presents the terms and conditions to validate, and you have to agree before you can now log in and configure the system as normal. So again, we'll log in here. Okay, and again, we can do the same thing now to actually disable that. So to disable that feature, we just go in and we delete the text and again hit save. So that's how we can easily set up and remove a login banner with company-specific terms and conditions.